What's up? How are we all doing? It's still cold. We're waiting on the EFI harness still. Everything else came in but it. Still cleaning up wires. I stopped after that video, the end of the video, just to kind of get it all cleaned up. I got the IAT in today, and before I thought about it, I bought some aluminum bungs for eventually an intake. Well, I talked to my buddy of mine, and they put them on right here, right that way, because it's closest to the throttle body as possible. So basically, we got to put this up here. Super easy to do. I got a MPT threader kit, like $8 on Amazon. And I got a little step-up bit just to kind of get to it. But I got to find my drill. Wherever the heck that went. I got parts everywhere still living that hoodlum life. Oh, my drill's inside the house, so let me go get it real quick and we'll come back and finish this. Alrighty, we are back. Got my drill, my little step-up bit. And the goal here is there's a blank space right there. We're going to, because the way the throttle body pushes the bottom. So what we're trying to do is get it on the top side right here. So we're just going to take a little step up, drill, and we'll go from there. Put a little bit of a silicone, probably not silicone, what's it called? Thread. I forget the crap called. Right there. Whoops. Let's see what size this is going to be. We'll stop right there. Get our okay. And yep. Get ourselves a nice little thing here. And we will go to town. Usually you'd go slow, but I think this is aluminum. It's really not, it's not that hard to get in there, but we're just chasing some threads in there for the 3/8 NPT. Make sure you get a 3/8 NPT kit. And we're through. Go ahead and, this is the reason I took the throttle body off the intake, because I didn't want to get any metal shavings in there. But now, that looks good. And we will pull her off. Aluminum shavings everywhere. And just like that, boys, she threads right on in. Booyah. Not that shabby. Not that shabby at all. I'm gonna go get some, first I'm gonna clean this out. I'm gonna go get some thread, not thread lacquer, the white stuff. What the? forgot the name. Oh, what is the name of that? Teflon. Yeah, Teflon, guys. Jeez, Teflon, dudes. Told y'all. It's going in that way, so we want that to go in this way just a little bit for maximum sealage. Thread her on in there. I don't know what size that is. We got the universal wrench though. Oh yeah. Oh, oops. The only bad part about it being right here is it's kind of a pain in the butt to get to. Not really, I mean, you have a wrench, it's not, but also, we got it in how we want it, but I didn't go straight up because the thread's for the intake right here, so we did it at an angle, but it won't matter because it's right there. So, now that we got that in, we're ready for activities. But we'll tighten this on up. Okay. Actually, I kind of don't want that right there. So, I'm going to have to add some more Teflon to the bottom of it because I don't want to go any further in. And I also need to get this right here away from this for the clip. So I'm going to cut it, go back, fix this real quick, come back. Much better. So there's our nice little IAT. Nice and threaded in there. And this part is done. Very happy. I dropped my Teflon, so there's that. Add that to the mess of things. Before I throw it on, I think I'm going to get all this paint off of this thing. Didn't really adhere the first time I did it, so we're going to probably just go pure black. Honestly, I'm pretty fine with that. Clean it all up. We're going to get new O-rings for the injectors and new gaskets as well, even though they don't look that bad. Why not? We're already here. Get it all in, and yeah, go from there. So we are getting there, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna take all this off yet. I mean, maybe a Scotch-Brite. If it's hard to get off, I might not get it all off, but we'll figure something out for it. But it ought to be fun though. It ought to be fun. So there's that. Yeah, that'll be the end of this one. It's gonna be super small, like a 5-minute video. Just an update. I gotta clean up the metal shavings and that, and then, I mean, yeah, guys, we don't have much. I mean, we do. We have to take our time wiring, but like ease of work, it's top notch. It's super easy. So, yeah, we're getting there, little by little, my friends. Little by little. I'm excited. Another update. I'll probably have another update maybe. I'll try for this Friday. I'll try to get an update this Friday, if I can. And yeah, I mean, we'll see how when you guys get to that, when we all get to that point, because I'm not even at that point yet. So you guys have a good one. Have a good holiday, good Christmas. And yeah, I'm out. I'll see you on the next one.